Prime numbers are indivisible. The word Allah appears 2,699 times in the Quran. 2699 is a prime, which means it is indivisible just like Allah is indivisible. Skeptics claim that this is just a coincidence. It turned out that prime numbers are one of the characteristics of the entire Quran. Prime number. A prime number, or a prime, is a natural number greater than one that cannot be formed by multiplying two smaller natural numbers. A natural number greater than one that is not prime is called a composite number. For example, 5 is prime because the only ways of writing it as a product, 1 by 5 or 5 by 1, involve 5 itself. However, 6 is composite because it is the product of two numbers, 2 by 3, that are both smaller than 6. Primes are central in number theory because of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every natural number greater than 1 is either a prime itself, or can be factorized as a product of primes that is unique up to their order. Primes are 2, 3, 5, 7. However, this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. In Chapter 1, the verse count, word count, and letter count are all primes. Quran 1:1-7. Verse count is 7, prime number. Word count is 29, prime number. Letter count is 139, prime number. All characteristics of this chapter are primes. Another verse in the Quran describes this chapter, and says that it is Masani. Quran. We have given you 7 of the pairs, and the Grand Quran. It says that number 7 belongs to a group called Masani. The same word is also found in another verse which says that the entire Quran also belongs to this same group, Masani. Quran. Allah has sent down the best of narrations, a scripture consistent and paired. The skins of those who reverence their Lord shiver from it, then their skins and their hearts soften up to the remembrance of Allah. Such is Allah's guidance, He guides with it whomever He wills. But whomever Allah leaves astray, for him there is no guide. This verse says that the entire Quran belongs to the group Masani. This word is derived from pair or do again. There is no do again in mathematics, however there is multiplication. You can form any natural number by simply multiplying primes. 8 is equal to 2x2 by 2. This verse says that the entire Quran belongs to the group Masani, and from the previous verse it says that number 7 belongs to this same group Masani. In mathematics, 7 belongs to the group of prime numbers. So we are checking whether the number of letters of the entire Quran is also a prime or not. The Quran is made of 326,159 letters. Yes, 326159 is a prime number. This says that the Quran is indivisible. If a single letter was added or removed from anywhere in the entire Quran, this will no longer be a prime. This also proves that the Quran was preserved.